Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop email notification from Facebook on your laptop. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and type in www.facebook.com. After that, you have to give your login details and log into your Facebook. After you log in, on your home page at the top right corner, you can see your profile icon, that's account, and click on it. After that, you have to click on settings and privacy. Under settings and privacy, you should go to settings. It's gonna take a few seconds, and under settings and privacy, there are a few options like personal details, password security, add preferences, verification, etc. On that option, you have to scroll down a bit, and under preferences, you can see reaction preferences, notification, language and reason, etc. Now you have to select notification options. After that, notification settings will pop up on your screen. Scroll below, you can scroll down and see other notification option. You have to click on other notification option and scroll down again. Now there you can see allow notification on Facebook option, push option, email option and SMS option. You have to select the email option and toggle off that option. And guys, that's it. That's how you stop email from Facebook through your laptop. And guys, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.